Good evening to all. Today I will tell you the difference between autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. So that now the autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition, as we know, the book is in the bookist language. The autotrophs which they can make their own food, the heterotrophs they cannot make their own food. But in the real life, the heterotroph also can able to make their own food, because the plants and the other animals cannot provide them the food. They also make their own food, no? But the main difference is what? The main difference is about the raw materials. The inorganic materials used by the autotrophs, such as sunlight, temperature, chlorophyll, air, water, these are the inorganic material. And when the autotrophs using the inorganic material, inorganic material as their raw materials, so that they are known as autotroph. But we used to make our food with the help of raw materials, which is organic in nature, which is biotic in nature. Understood? A biotic means which have life in them. But the autotrophs, they use the raw materials which do not have the life in them, so that they can make their own food. But the heterotrophs cannot make their own food. There is the only difference of the raw materials. This is the best difference between the autotrophs and heterotrophs. Now in Hindi, जो ऑटोट्रॉप्स होते हैं, जो स्वपोषी होते हैं, वो अपना भोजन और इनऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल्स को अकार्बनिक पदार्थ से बनाते हैं, जो कि जैसे सनलाइट है, क्लोरोफिल है, एयर है, वाटर है। पर जो हमारे हेटरोट्रॉप्स होते हैं, जो परपोषी होते हैं, वो अपना भोजन, जो अपना कच्चा पदार्थ जो होता है, वो बायोटिक कंपोनेंट्स मतलब जैविक पदार्थ से प्राप्त करते हैं, जैसे प्लांट से, एनिमल से। तो हम उनको हेटरोट्रॉफ यानी परपोषी कहते हैं। दिस इज द मेन डिफरेंस। और बुकिश लैंग्वेज में तो आपने बहुत कुछ पढ़ा है। दे कैन मेक देयर ओन फूड, दे कैन नॉट मेक देयर ओन फूड, दे डिपेंड ऑन देम। बट देर इज अ basically main difference is of raw material. The raw material used by the autotrophs is abiotic, but the raw material used by the heterotrophs is biotic. Understood? Please note down it into your diary or any notebook, anywhere. But you should remember this, and please ignore the bookish language. Just they are only for the marks, not for the knowledge. Okay? But book is very important, which you have to read. But the other knowledge, the scientific knowledge, you should convert you should think about that. You should explore you. Okay? अपने आप को एक्सप्लोर करिए, अच्छी अच्छी बातें सोचिए, अदर क्वेश्चंस बनाइए। अगर आपको कुछ समझ में ना आए, आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में आंसर दीजिए, क्वेश्चन बताइए, मैं आंसर दूंगी उसका वीडियो फॉर्म में। ठीक है? ओके, and like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.